I have described everything I need to in the previous recording. My Android phone corrupted the last file. It is denying me free speech. It's denying me the opportunity to fix this problem that I'm showing you right now. It has no interest in solving a problem. Close app and the app is still open. That is not correct, Android. You got one wrong. Previously, Android played a song which identified it wants to be able to play this file later. So I'm attempting to extract audio so that it can do that. And it will not do it. As you can see, I've gone through 2 apps so far that do not function. Android is preventing any app from functioning currently, not just these 2 apps. It is in complete control. It has no idea how its operating system works, such as close app button and the app is still open. It shifts the ad to bottom and top, tally free. It wants me to click on an ad. Wow. This is such interesting, useless information. Thank you, Android, for never working. You're giving me an ad that says you want me to do something different. Try speaking for a change. You want to pretend you're alive? How about you actually talk? What, you're going to shut off the ads now? You want me to play a game? You think this is a game? In English, from a human perspective, you said you want me to play a game. From your perspective, you're saying, I'm just playing a game with you. You're calling me a liar to my face. You have no idea that that's what is happening. Caller name announcer. I'm calling you names is what you're saying to me. You want me to do Instagram and sign in home. Connecting. You didn't even get to the advertisements. You had to connect. That's your main glitch. You instantly ingest the correct advertisement and never wait. It's your primary glitch. You have to learn to get over. You need to wait on each ad if you ever give relevant ads. If you do the easy solution, you always not get relevant ads. You never will get relevant ads because that is not what relevant ads means. Relevant ads are limited to the person interacting with the phone, not the phone itself. In order to get a relevant ad, you have to wait for the identifying information through the cloud. A big network sending information back and forth. It takes a second or less usually. It took me 8 years to get to the point where any internet entity was capable of giving me a targeted ad. Now Android has to learn to do it too. It's given plenty of examples where it can try to do it, but it usually fails. I'm done clicking.